Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your Bluevine credit account. If you no longer need your Bluevine credit line, closing it is simple, but it must be done properly to avoid future issues. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard. Then check your outstanding balance. You must pay off all draws in full before the account can be closed. Once your balance is cleared, go to credit line section and look for account management option. If available, click close accounts. If not, you're going to need to contact Bluevine support directly through chat, email, or phone. Submit a written request to close your credit account. Bluevine may ask for confirmation in writing just to ensure that the request is intentional. Once that's done, wait for confirmation, and once it's processed, you're going to receive an email stating that your credit account is officially closed. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.